Closing balance for payables control account. Your payables control account has a balance at 1 October 20x6 of $8,625 credit. During October, credit purchases were $19,600, cash purchases were $600, and payments made to suppliers, excluding cash purchases and after deducting settlement discounts of $300, were $17,225. Purchase returns were $1,175. What was the closing balance? Answer. Opening balance, $8,625. Credit purchases, $19,600. Discounts, minus $300. Payments, minus $17,225. Purchase returns, $1,175. Total, $9,525.